Welcome to another edition of Studying with Lundy. Today we are going to explore sectionalism and how it created tensions between the North and South. These regional differences played a major role in dividing the country and leading to the Civil War. Sectionalism means that people felt more connected to their region, whether it was the North or the South, rather than the entire country. This created a deep divide in how people thought about issues like the economy, laws, and even slavery. Let's start by analyzing this graph. Look at the data and identify what industries were most common in the North compared to the South. You'll see that in the North, there are a lot of factories and industry, and in the South, you'll see that there are a lot of farms, and their economy relies on agriculture. What other differences do you notice? Think about how these economic differences might have influenced daily life and even created tensions between the two regions. The North was rapidly industrializing. It had factories, railroads, and steel production. Instead of relying on enslaved labor, most workers in the North were paid wages in factories and businesses. Cities grew, and trade became a huge part of the economy. The South's economy was very different. It was built around agriculture, with crops like cotton, tobacco, and rice. Unlike the North, the South depended on enslaved labor to sustain its economy. Because of this, Southern leaders resisted any threats to the institution of slavery. Because the economies of the North and South were so different, their interests often clashed. The North supported tariffs, taxes on imported goods, because they protected their factories. Meanwhile, the South opposed tariffs since they relied on trade with other countries. This is just one example of how sectionalism created tensions. Take a moment to reflect. In one sentence, explain sectionalism in your own words. How did it shape the North and the South? What problems do you think it caused? Write your response on Google Classroom. And as always, thank you for watching Studying with Lundy. Hey, go subscribe to my channel.